Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to organize notes in Evernote step by step. If you have lots of notes and want to keep them clean and easy to find, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First, open Evernote and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home page, click on the Notes section from the left-hand menu. Here you'll see all of your saved notes. Now, open the note that you want to organize. First, update the title to make it more clear and meaningful. A good title helps you find your notes much faster in the future. Next, edit the content of your note by adding a few new lines or updating existing information. Keeping your notes up to date makes them more useful and easier to understand. After making your changes, remember that Evernote saves everything automatically. You don't need to click a Save button because all your edits are saved instantly. Now go to the search bar at the top and type the title of your note. As you can see, Evernote quickly finds your note, making it easy to access even when you have many notes. Finally, return to the Notes page and review your organized note. You can repeat the same process for your other notes to keep everything well organized and easy to manage. And that's it. That's how you organize notes in Evernote. It's a simple way to keep your information neat, searchable, and always available whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.